Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MIST. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. If you're not sure what I mean by 30-minute, I do offer an explanation video at that link. Quite the eventful day once again on this one. Now, of course, Thursday was very eventful. Massive volume, big gap up. Then started things looked a little shaky. And then going into today, was volume as big? It wasn't, but it was still very, very respectable. And the price, continues to grind higher and higher. Got up, up over $11 temporarily. So certainly updates need to be made headed into next week, as there's going to be still plenty of eyeballs on it. So the first level of support, now that I would definitely call the ideal level, is right there at $8.50. Ideal meaning, if you say, hey Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? Well, ideally, if the price can stay above $8.50, that would certainly be a great sign of power. But don't get me wrong, if the price were to fall below that level, that does not mean the entire chart's destroyed or ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price could manage to stay above that area, that would certainly be a great sign of power moving forward. Taking a step back and looking at all this from the bigger picture point of view, that is where the purple line comes into play. The 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, that line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very straightforward way to gauge the health of the move. That right there is how I'm defining, quote-unquote, the move. Just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control. How you must visualize that, that is what is being represented. Again, yeah, staying above 850 would be great. But from the grand scheme of it all, as long as the price is above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, nothing fancy or complicated here. The partying momentum finally stopped today on a couple occasions, right up there at $11.35. So that'll be public enemy number one headed into next week. But all in all, as long as the price keeps on grinding, putting in those higher highs and higher lows, that's what matters most. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up, as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.